Today's method is one that we've never shared with anyone before, and today we're finally ready to reveal it to you. In today's video, we're going to be sharing a never before seen, never before heard of strategy that's going to pay you up to $475 right away without having to do any work at all. You heard that right, hundreds of dollars with no work. And it gets better because you won't even need to pay attention to it 24/7. You just leave it there. Plus, it's available to everyone from all over the world, and who doesn't want that? It's super fast and easy, and you don't need any skills or experience, and you don't even need to have any social media following whatsoever. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Today, we're going to be showing you more than one website that's going to be helping you make $300 to $400 without any work whatsoever. So let's just get right into it. Our first website is called ACX, and to get to their website, you can just type in acx.com and that should take you to here. To give you a brief background of what this website is all about, ACX is a marketplace where authors, literary agents, publishers, and other rights holders can connect with narrators, engineers, recording studios, and other producers capable of producing a finished audiobook. The result, more audiobooks will be made. ACX puts you in the driver's seat. If you're a rights holder, you choose how you produce your audiobook, whether on your own or by engaging a producer on ACX, and you choose among two royalty models. If you're a producer, ACX allows you to post a profile and be seen. Plus, you can be proactive and audition on ACX for posted titles. If you've already created an audiobook and just want to sell it, we can help you. Basically, they send people a whole book that needs to be narrated and then turn it into an audiobook. These people will need to audition first, and if they do get accepted with just one book, they can earn up to $400. So this is how this website works. Step 1, create a profile. You sign up on ACX and create a profile that details your acting and audiobook experience. Step 2, you upload samples tag, an unlimited number of samples in your profile based on accents, genre, and style. The more audio samples you include, the easier it is for the authors to find you. Step 3, they're going to tell me how you want to get paid. Choose a per finished hour rate or choose to share 50% of royalties. If you're unsure, you can choose both. Step 4, you audition. You're going to search for books you're interested in narrating and producing and record a few minutes of the manuscript. If you're the right holder's top choice, you will receive an offer. Step 5, accept the offer when a rights holder makes you an offer. Agree on delivery dates for the first 15 minutes of audio and the final audiobook and payment terms. Step 6, you're going to start recording. You're going to record, edit, and upload the 15-minute checkpoint of the audiobook, which the rights holders will approve or provide feedback for. When the sample is approved, record the remainder of the project. Step 7, you're going to work with other studio professionals to create a professional audiobook. You may want the guidance of other audiobook experts. If you need to hire one or more, we have independent contractor agreements that you may use. Step 8, you finish the recording. You upload each completed chapter of the audiobook to meet our audio submission requirements and production standard terms. Before payment, the rights holder must approve the full audiobook and has the right to request changes. Step 9, you get paid. If you and the rights holder agreed on a pay for production fee, you will be paid directly by the rights holder. If you produce the audiobook as a royalty share deal, then you'll be paid based on 50% of the royalties on sales. In step 10, you can come back for more. ACX has tons of books wanting to be turned into audiobooks, so keep auditioning. If you're a highly experienced narrator with at least 25 audiobook credits, you can then apply to be an Audible approved producer. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. To sign up, just click on Sign Up Now on the upper right, and that should take you to here. Go ahead and fill up your details, your name, email, password twice, then hit on create an Amazon account, and just like that, go ahead and follow the rest of the instructions to successfully apply to be a narrator, and boom, $475 into your account. That's really all there is to it. Now our next website is called Voices, and to get to their website you can just type in voices.com, and that should take you to here. Now we've talked about this website already before, but we've decided to just include it in today's video as an addition in case you've already forgotten that this website exists and that it pays you almost just as much as ACX does, which is incredible. So to those new to our channel though, this website is basically the world's #1 audio services marketplace. Quickly and confidently hire professional freelance voiceover actors, audio producers, musicians, or translators for your creative product. It's basically a voiceover app where you can apply to become a voiceover and they pay you out like hundreds of dollars. So just create a Nunuko account, send in a sample and apply, and just like that, you can make money. And those two websites are basically it. So a short recap. We have the first one, which is called acx.com, where you're going to be a narrator for an audiobook. And then we have voices.com, which you also become a voiceover artist. And what's great about these two websites is that they both really don't require you to do any work, because all you're gonna do is basically read, and reading is something that we all do literally every single day. So you're just reading, but you're reading it out loud, and now your earning potential here is insane. So if you were to miss out on this opportunity and pass out on this opportunity, then you're not gonna find something that can actually sustain you like this website does. It's something that you can actually do long term, something that is very enjoyable to do. You just need to talk and talk. If you're someone who actually enjoys talking, then this job won't even be a job for you anymore. And if you're someone who just wants to do something very simple, no technical skills whatsoever, and you just want to be able to earn, then really being a voiceover actor is such a great opportunity for you. That's why we highly encourage that you try these two websites. So let us know in the comments down below how it goes. And that is basically all for today's video. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.